Hello and welcome again to Adventures in Pop-Ups, where we do campsite reviews, tips and tricks to help you make your camping adventures more fun.
Today we are doing campsite review for Bend Campground. That is in Litchfield, Illinois. Cute little private place with lots of amenities. Check out our adventure and we'll be right back with you for a review.
So we really liked this trip. We went down to Country Bend Campground in Litchfield, Illinois, just north of Lake Lou Yeager and Mill Knot Beach. And we spent some time with your friend, an old friend.
Yes, it was lovely. And this campground has tons of amenities. We really like the pool. That's all the kids want to do. The pool, the pool, the pool. Can we please go to the pool? I don't want to go to the beach. Can we just go to the pool today?
Sure.
Okay, sure. We went to the beach the first day, which is completely separate from the campground, but in the same area. And that does cost money for entry. We have a family pass. Anyhow, after the first day that we went to the beach, we did not leave the campground for the rest of the 4-day trip. We had plenty to do.
I like the pool.
I like the pool too. We never got enough of the pool. It was nice having that. And in the pool house, they had tons of activities like horseshoe, shuffle boards. I think there was badminton or something. There was just all kinds of lawn games and more things for you to do.
It was like, and wait, there's more.
There's more, yeah.
So yeah, right next to the pool, there's a big pool house and a nice big double, huge grill area.
Yes.
So there's toys and all kinds of activities, volleyball and basketball and shuffleboard right there, washers. So, but they also had a huge rec room and putt-putt and
paddle boats.
So we took the dog out on the paddle boats and did a couple games of putt-putt. But this rec room, now that was wonderful. There was 10,
I would like
maybe
that.
8 to 10 activities in there. Mm-hmm. And what'd you think about that rec room?
It was good. There was basketball, darts, pool, air hockey, foosball, just ping pong, just bowling. There was just tons of stuff. Washer game. We had a great time. I wish we would have tried it out sooner. Honestly, we tried it out on checkout day, like as we were leaving. We could have done that a few times, I think. We stayed at a water and electric campground that was right across the little campground gravel street from a friend of mine who was renting a cabin. The cabin was really cool. It was just a cute little one-room thing with maybe a queen-size bed in one corner, a pretty new-looking couch, dining table, kitchen with coffee maker and all the stuff, bathroom, and then it had a little deck that had a picnic table and it overlooked the paddle boat pond. It was a really cute setup. It was right by us, so it was perfect. If you're looking to go camping with somebody who doesn't have a camper, that's a great option. They have quite a few different sizes. Studio or whatever you call the one-room version. There's 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom. Do they have 3 bedrooms?
Mm-hmm.
They did.
Yeah, a couple.
They have quite a few options and they're very cute. I thought they were great. We liked our site. It was water and electric. It was an average size site, not huge. It was just your standard private campground size, I would say. And some of them have sewer, some of them do not. We just chose to not bother with it.
$5 more if you want the sewer.
We saved ourselves, $15 by emptying our black tanks out.
Yeah.
So anyhow, we liked it. It also had a view of the pond, just wasn't right there overlooking the pond, but
that is also a fishing pond, not just a paddle boat pond, and there's 4. So if you like to fish, the fish were jumping out there. So
they also have a cute covered bridge area that goes to a walking trail. They call it the Enchanted Forest.
Enchanted Forest.
Which is also by their event center, which is called Blossom.
Yeah.
And we didn't go inside, but we'll drop you a picture from their website. It's really nice looking. It's a nice big building. It looks rustic-y on the inside, like an old barn, and holds a lot of people, indoor, outdoor, all the stuff. So if you're looking for an event center, that's totally an option.
Great big country feel, lots of fields and woods, and looked like a really spacious event center.
So we stayed on the one end of the campground. I kind of wish we stayed in the back of the campground because it was more wooded. We loved our location because we were right by our friend in the cabin. They do have more cabins in the back. It's more wooded back there. It seemed more spacious and less like there was quite a few larger like fifth wheels and stuff by us. Not a lot. It wasn't very busy. But I think it would have felt more like we were out in the woods if we were in the back.
Uh-huh.
Now, the major drawback to this place, and we asked somebody in the back and they can still hear it, there is trains. They come through quite a bit.
And the graveyard.
And the graveyard, yeah. We were right by a graveyard. We don't really care. But
there's a neighborhood too, but you can barely see the neighborhood.
Yeah, it's pretty out there in the country. But the trains did wake me up several times every night, and you just hear them ever so often. It's not a big deal, but if it's a big deal to you, then you should know.
I say there's 2 or 3 a day. She says there's 8 or 10.
He sleeps through everything. You doesn't notice. I notice these things. It's all good.
But yeah, we asked them. They were going to pop up as well, and we asked them on the way out if they could hear the trains, and he said, "Oh yeah." But it was several hundred yards farther away, so
right.
I'm sure it wasn't quite as loud.
Yeah, the back probably wasn't
as
loud.
It's mostly, grass, prairie land, fields, so that sound probably just went right across the
True.
field.
Yeah, and the staff was very nice. Everyone did a great job. Everyone that we saw was
friendly
just,
campers.
The bathrooms were clean. I liked the kind of log cabin looking.
Tongue and groove, knotty pine.
Yeah, very cool. Clean, plenty of stalls, plenty of showers, hot water.
Clean.
And
they had an air conditioner.
Yes, air conditioned. It was hot.
Not too far from the pool house, although by the cabins and where we were staying, the bathroom was pretty far away.
Yeah, there was not a bathroom by us at all. We just used our camper bathroom, but if you don't have a bathroom in your camper, you might want to think about how close you are to that bathhouse.
Mm-hmm.
So
probably want to camp closer. So Country Bend Campground.
4 stars? What do you think?
Yeah, I mean, had a lot of amenities, nice people, great service, well maintained. It's a family-run business, and had a pool. Anything with the pool is like automatic 3.5 stars.
Yeah,
so.
They did a great job. I would just say the only main drawback was the trains, and it wasn't that big a deal to us. We had a great time. If you are passing through Central Illinois, this is a great stop. If you are looking for Route 66, places to go, things to do, this is a great stopping point. You think you would really enjoy your stay. I hope you enjoyed watching our adventure. We have lots of other videos. If you want to check out some pre-trip tips, if you want to check out our top 10 mods, we have lots of tips for you guys
meal
here.
Planning.
Meal planning. We've got a lot of options for you. Check out the channel. Ask any questions that you may have. We would love to answer your questions, or maybe other people could answer your questions. We're still learning too. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.
And do us a favor. If you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button. It really helps with the algorithm people over at YouTube.
Yes.
Then more people will watch it. We appreciate it.
Thank you very much.